So today we're going to be polishing some teeth, and I'm going to start on the mandibular anterior facial surfaces. So first I'm going to get my mirror in there, and then fulcrum, and then I'm going to get my Profi brush in there, and I'm going to be using a modified pen grasp, and then I'm going to fulcrum as well. So on the tooth, I'm going to start in the interproximal distal, and then I'm going to go in and flare up. Then I'm going to go in the middle and then flare up, and then I'm going to go in the mesial interproximal and flare up. And I'm going to repeat that across all of the tooth and keep flaring up with the angle of the brush. And then we'll go to another tooth and keep flaring up in the interproximals, and then going to the middle section, and then going to the incisal edge. And then I'm going to do the maxillary posterior teeth on the lingual surfaces. So first I get my mirror in there for some light, and then I'm going to fulcrum, and I would start again at the interproximals of going to the distal, and I'm going to flare. I'm going to go to the middle interproximal towards the gingiva and flare, then the mesial and flare, then I'm going to go to the middle, flare, and then until you get to the occlusal, and then I'm going to do another tooth, and you're going to do the same thing, interproximal distal and flare, middle flare, mesial flare. Then you're going to go to the middle part of the tooth and keep flaring it, then until you get to the occlusal. And then I'm going to floss. I'll do teeth on the bottom, on the mandibular, and I'll do one on the maxillary. So I'm going to seesaw in between the teeth, in between the contacts, and then once I get in, I'm going to wrap it around the tooth in a C shape and go up and down a few times, and then go on the other tooth up and down a few times, and then I would go seesaw motion again until I get between the contacts, then I would do a C shape, and then I would do a C shape. Thanks for watching.